Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to science class. So today we are going to discuss about the second chapter, components of food. So as we studied in the first chapter, there is a variety existing among the food of different animals and also food of different areas. And in here in this chapter you can see one activity. The first activity, that is you have to write the food items of one or two states item of food, and what are the ingredients, and what are the other kind of grains they are using for making this item of food. So when we are observing this and when we are studying about the food items of different areas of different parts of the country, we can see that all these food items contain at least one or two ingredients as common. That means some of the ingredients or some of the food items are rich with a special kind of nutrients. So these special kind of components are called the nutrients present in the food. So the nutrients are the components present in the food. They are needed by our body for the easy functioning of our body, for the smooth functioning of our body, or for the growth and repairing of our body. These nutrients are very essential, and these nutrients are special for special kind of food items. Do you know what are the important nutrients present in the food? In our lower classes we studied about that. What are they? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, etc., along with the vitamins and minerals are the major nutrients present in our food. Okay, and this carbohydrates, fats, proteins, these are the essential nutrients along with the vitamins and minerals. More than this, we have to ensure the availability of sufficient amount of water in our body. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study what are the different types of nutrients and how can we identify their presence in the food item. That means test to identify this carbohydrate, protein and fat, and what will happen if you are not eating a proper diet, a balanced diet. Okay, these are the things that we are going to study in this chapter. First of all, we can see what are the tests to identify this carbohydrate, protein and starch. Okay, activity number 2, you can see the test for starch. What we needed to take, we have to take, or we need to take one reagent, chemical reagent named iodine solution to identify the presence of starch. So the starch rich food items are given there, and in the table you can see a number of food items rich with starch. That is the rice, wheat, potato, etc. All these are the food items rich with starch. So take a sample of food items. That is a very easy sample, simple sample. That is a rice. Then add 1 or 2 drops of iodine solution in it. At that time we can see that there is a color change. What is the color change? The color of the food items turns to bluish black. This bluish black color indicates starch is present in the food item. Okay. Another one is a test for protein. Okay. So in order to test this protein, we need two reagents. What are they? Copper sulfate solution and also caustic soda. Copper sulfate solution and caustic soda are the reagents that we needed. So how can we add these solutions? By using chopper, we have to add 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the food item. Then if protein is present in the food items, there will be a violet color. This violet color indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Okay. So what are the food items rich with the protein? Yes, it will be milk, then dal, etc., egg, etc. All these are the food items rich with the protein. Okay, the remaining part of the chapter that we will discuss in the next class. Okay.